In this video, I'll show you how to find your network security key, also known as your Wi-Fi password, on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, go to the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. Right-click on it and select Network and Internet Settings. At the top of the page, click on Wi-Fi, then choose Manage Known Networks. If your computer has connected to the network before, you'll see it listed here. Select your network, and you should find an option labeled Wi-Fi Network Password. Click Show to reveal the network security key. There's another way to do this as well. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and click to open it. Set the View By option to large icons, then go to Network and Sharing Center. From there, click on your active Wi-Fi connection. In the new window, select Wireless Properties, then go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see the network security key. Check the box labeled Show Characters to display the password. If you're still unable to find it using these methods, you can also check your Wi-Fi router. The password is often printed on a label on the router itself. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Dell tutorials. Thanks for watching.